warm greetings to one and all present here. Today, myself, Ravleen Sani of BSc Non-Medical Semester 3 is here to present a poster on the topic COVID-19 Lockdown and its socio-economic impacts. This poster gives us a clear picture of the after effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. How lockdown was imposed all over our country, how the economic sector was deeply hit by the COVID 19 pandemic. Coronavirus disease COVID 19 pandemic caused by SARS CoV 2 is of unprecedented global public health concern. To combat this disease, the government of India decided to impose lockdown all over the districts of the 22 states and the union territories where confirmed cases of COVID 19 were reported from March 24, 2020 onwards. The government of India has claimed success in the fight with the COVID 19 pandemic, stating that the number of the COVID 19 cases would have been more if lockdown would not have been imposed. However, this view is now being contested as the number of COVID 19 cases have increased recently. Let's talk about the economic impact of the COVID 19 pandemic. The economic impact of the COVID 19 pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2020 went down to 3.1% according to the Ministry of Statistics. India had been experiencing a prolonged economic slowdown already. The GDP growth rate had fallen down from 8.2% in January March 2018 to 3.1% in January March 2020. In the first quarter of the financial year 2021, this number went to the negative. The GDP growth rate for April June 2020 was minus 23.9%, which happened to be the worst ever in the history. Crucial parameters like manufacturing, construction, trade, hotel industry saw a rapid decline and slid to negative. Manufacturing growth at minus 39.3%, mining growth at minus 23.3%, construction growth at minus 50%, trading and hotel industry growth at minus 47%. The Indian economy was expected to lose rupees 35,000 crores every day during the first 21 days of the lockdown, which was declared following the coronavirus outbreak. Under complete lockdown, less than a quarter of India's $2.8 trillion economic movement was functional. Up to 53% of businesses in the country were projected to be significantly affected. Supply chains have been put under stress within the lockdown restrictions in place. Initially, there was a lack of clarity in streamlining what an essential is and what is not. COVID-19 pandemic caused market instability and lockdown. Let's discuss some of its outcomes in short. Post the lockdown, we saw largest GDP contraction ever in the history, sharp rise in unemployment, stress on supply chains, decrease in government income, collapse of the tourism industry, collapse of the hospitality industry, reduced consumer activities, plunge in fuel consumption, rise in LPG sales, and fall in trade with China. So, these were some of the socio-economic impacts of the COVID-19 lockdown. Thank you.